want you to think about what is different about the sun. So the sun and then the moon. And then the moon. So how are the sun and the moon different? Think about the time of day that you see the sun and the moon. I know the sun, you have to see it in the daytime. So I'm probably going to see the sun in the day, and the moon is at night. What is something the same about them? Looking at the shapes, they're both what? They are both what? Triangles, squares, circles, rectangles. Say it out loud. What? They are the same shape. They are a what? A circle, right? You can see behind me too with our patterns. They are a circle. So they're both a circle, but you see them at different times of day. Sometimes you can see the moon during the daytime, but that's different. Usually you'll see it at nighttime. So I'm going to read through. So first of all, I'm going to go through some of our nonfiction text features. So we have a heading right here. So it tells us what we're about to read. So good morning, sunshine. So I think that we're about to read about some sun. I can also look at the photograph, which is right behind me. And if you want to follow along, we're on page 294. 294. So I also see my photographs. And photographs have best friends. And their names are captions. And captions tell us what's going on in the photograph. So they're labeling things for us to know. So sun, and then clouds. So these are our different things. So I'm going to read through, and I want you to think about the sun and maybe something that you didn't know about the sun. So something that you learned, because remember, we're in nonfiction. This is all real. So we learn facts from it. So we might already know things about the sun, but we're going to learn some more. So be on the lookout. So look up. You can see many things in the daytime sky. You can see the sun. The sun, ooh, here's one of those key words, is the star closest to the earth. I didn't know that the sun was a star, did you? A star is an object in the sky. It gives off its own light. The sun gives light and heat to the earth. You may also see clouds in the daytime sky. Sometimes you can even see the moon. So like I said, in the daytime sky, sometimes you can see the moon. You can see clouds, and you can see sun as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto your Jamboard, and it's going to say objects in the daytime and daylight sky. So you're going to draw a picture of what you can see in the daytime, mostly. So we're not going to put the moon because that's going to be something different. Sometimes you see it, but we're going to put maybe the sun and the clouds. So going on to your Jamboard, your own Jamboard, and staying on yours and not coloring anybody else's. Your name is on it, so making sure you are staying on yours. And you're going to draw something, the sky that you see in the daytime. So I can't wait to see all those.